Hello! In this video, you'll see how car parts are washed in Nigeria, completely outdoors and directly on bare ground. No workshop, no concrete floor, no special cleaning station, just real conditions and hard manual labor. A gearbox is brought in for cleaning, heavily covered in oil, grease, and years of dirt. The washer immediately gets to work using the simplest tools available. With a metal scraper in one hand and a plastic bottle filled with gasoline in the other, he patiently scrapes and washes away thick layers of grime. It's slow, exhausting work that requires strength and persistence. However, there is one serious downside. The oil from the gearbox is drained straight onto the ground. This is obviously harmful to the environment, as it contaminates the soil and can affect nearby water sources. Unfortunately, this doesn't seem to stop the process. The goal here is to get the job done, no matter the conditions. After the manual cleaning, the washer switches to a high-pressure washer. A powerful stream of water blasts away the remaining oil and dirt, revealing a surprisingly clean gearbox underneath. Step by step, the part transforms from a greasy mess into something ready for further repair or installation. This video shows the reality of auto work in places where resources are limited and improvisation is part of everyday life, both the effort and the consequences. What do you think about this kind of car parts washing? Would you accept this method, or should there be stricter rules, even in difficult conditions? Write your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. We have many more interesting videos for your free time.